All right. Well, we're back with the 80. Back to work on it. Today we are going to be doing some work on the fuel tank. I put a new fuel tank in this when I rebuilt it, but I didn't change the valve and some other stuff, and I don't know, there's a problem with it because basically what's going on is it's really difficult to put gas in the vehicle. The pump keeps stopping, which is very annoying, and it does have a long start crank condition, not all the time but a lot of times, and just, I don't know, kind of tells me that something isn't right. So I'm going to take it all back apart. I'm going to look at what I did before, see if I made some kind of mistake, and we're going to fix it. So yeah, that's what's going on now. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. I've got everything on the top that's connected, so now I'm gonna disconnect it from here, I think. Alright, so here's the new parts we've got. Okay. We've got the hose, the filler hose, this breather hose, and I believe this line right here is what's causing my problem. I think that's really what's going on, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna replace all that stuff. I'm not gonna crack this open, I'm just gonna take those out basically. Definitely all corroded and stuff. Well guys, that was it. I finished it up. I reinstalled the tank back up. I'm not going to bore you with the details of putting the tank back. However, it was a little bit difficult just because there was fuel left in the tank, and that obviously made the tank a little bit heavier. It was probably about, I would say maybe like 5 gallons of fuel left in the tank. The main issue I was having was that every time I would balance the fuel tank on the jack, the fuel would slosh around and it would shift the weight and that would slide off the jack. But I got it done. It was no big deal. I got it done. I do believe my problem's fixed. I haven't put fuel in the vehicle yet, but I'm pretty confident that's fixed because the vehicle starts right up. Before, it used to, when I would crank the ignition, it had to basically re-prime the fuel system all over again before it would start up, so it would take a while for it to start up. Now it starts right up. I've actually started the vehicle a few times and it seems to start right up. And I'm assuming that when I go to put fuel in it, there's going to be no problems. I'll be able to put fuel in it a lot easier. But yeah, I'm going to fire it up for the last time. All right, moment of truth, guys. Here we go. There we go. She started up. Well, thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because the next episode is going to be the carpet episode where I will be dyeing the carpets. I think I'm going to go with a brown color, but that should be coming up here pretty soon. So I'll see you guys next time.